start by downloading the extension from the LinkedIn Chrome extension page on your Just Recruit account. Once downloaded, unzip the folder by right-clicking, Extract All, and Extract. For a Mac user, these steps may be different. Please check our user guides for more information. Now open Google Chrome and go to the three dots in the top right-hand corner, then hover over More Tools and click Extensions. Turn on Developer Mode in the top right-hand corner. This will now show you the option to load Unpacked. Click this, select the Just Recruit extension unzipped folder and select Folder. Now you've added the extension, it's ready to use. Navigate to LinkedIn and find the profile you would like to add to your Just Recruit account. Press the Just Recruit button next to the person's name and it will open the extension in the top right hand corner. From here you can add people to your database and the extension will take out the relevant information needed from their LinkedIn profile. If you think they may already be in your database, you are able to search to find a match. Maybe you aren't ready to add them to the database yet. You can quick add them to any project or long list that you may need. You may also add an action to a person that is within your database. As well as adding actions, you are able to add them to long lists and projects.